Yeah, B Wick, shoutouts to Chrissy B, Cody, O, Jack Kanda, Damo, Folks Wanna, what I do? Yeah. Lyrics, lines, and vocab, the difference between me and you don't have. This ain't a joke, see, so don't laugh. In this scene, MCs just won't last. Step next to me, and either you wanna battle me, rip you up like pizza, I'll rip you up like a piece of paper. You wanna battle me neither. See you later, alligator, the Power Ranger, covered in colors, motherfuckers just keep waiting. Said you want a semi-related vacation, sitting next to Asians, oh he's impatient. I just keep on rhyming, denying to my mind that these kiddies keep lying. Yeah, I tell you, you never listen to your face, cause I tell you once, not twice, no repetition. Spitting remeditions on the mic, the MIC like B.I.G. in the limelight. I'm living my life, I'm afraid of the nightlife. That's why I need my nightlight to sleep, doing right bars, giving high fives to my besties. And MC, covered in ecstasy, especially I got my weaponry up in my backpack, heading to your mum's house, ready to backtrack. Already been there twice in one night. What a good fuck, quick suck, she loves it, alright. I ride a bomb on the broken glass, and then she takes my dick, opens her ass. It's so deep, it's so thick, she loves it. Makes her nose twitch, and then she gets her eyelids, folds them over, have a sip of goonsey, I am not sober. Yeah, I'm like Indian, oh you missing him? Yeah, B-Wick is the lyricist. One hit at this dumb prick, you will miss at this. That's not a joke, yeah, so just listening. If your name is Christian, listen, punch you in the face, nah, I'm kidding. This is a joke, go home and smoke your own cones next to Cody, O, and Dope. So, yeah, I'm built like a matchstick. On the trampoline, B-Wick is doing backflips. Yeah, I got a fucking fat lip, rubbing around my gums is chapstick to keep it clean. I need the speed to keep on running, you need to be me, yeah. You wanna see what I see? You need 2 glasses to see what I see. No average, you don't know what I mean. If you get what that means, motherfucker, check it, say please, before I make you get on your knees, bitch, before thank you. That didn't make sense, but I'll still rhyme alright and still take the 10. I'll take your breath away. Take your breath away like you're running 10Ks. Yeah, I'm so quick on this coke shit that makes your nose drip. I'm so fast, my arms so quick, make the left